Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of planning your Disney World vacation for 2024. Whether you're a first timer or a seasoned Disney goer, there's always going to be something new to discover. So grab your Mickey ears and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. The first step in planning your Disney vacation is knowing the right time of year to go. Take into consideration school holidays, special events, and weather conditions. 2024 promises to be an awesome year filled with new attractions, festivals, and yummy foods to enjoy. Once you've picked your dates, it's time to set your budget. Disney World offers many different packages that include accommodations, park tickets, and even dining packages. If you would like to see a video going into detail on these packages, let me know in the comment section below. Now that you've set your budget, picking the best resort for you can be a challenge, but it can also enhance your Disney vacation. Staying on site or off site, both have their own pros and cons. Staying on site, you'll find immersive theming, transportation, and free parking, just to name a few of the many perks. Staying off site, you'll find some rooms that may be cheaper, occasionally the rooms will even be bigger, and you'll have public transportation. Now let's talk about the park tickets. Disney World has 4 parks, so you're going to want to plan your days wisely. Park Hopper will allow you to hop from one park to another, but the cost of Park Hopper will not be cheap. So be sure to research the current cost before you decide if Park Hopper is for you or not. Extra magic hours and holiday parties like Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party or Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party both offer terrific theming, tasty food, and experiences, but they do require separate tickets for the event. Genie Plus is your key to skipping the lines for popular attractions. Learn how to make the most of your selections and leverage the My Disney Experience app before you go. From mobile food ordering to virtual queues, technology will be your best friend at Disney World. Disney is not just about the rides. You have to be sure to take the time to recharge and enjoy the wonderful food that Disney has to offer. The Disney Dining Plan gives you a way to take the stress out of eating, giving you multiple options, and I've added the link down below so you can check it out and see which plan is best for your family. Plan on snacking and eating across the parks? Then Quick Serve may be for you. There are many different locations to eat at throughout all the parks and a lot of great food waiting. Disney World is constantly evolving, and 2024 will be no exception. So be sure to research any changes that are coming up before your next trip. Before you head to the most magical place on earth, we'll be sure to help you pack like a pro. From comfortable footwear to rain ponchos, portable chargers, our checklist will ensure that you are well prepared for a stress-free vacation at Disney World. So, be sure to watch that video coming up soon. Are you ready to plan your trip now? Still need help? Contact me for information on how I can help you plan that dream vacation at no extra cost to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Disney content, and share your tips and tricks below. Until next time, get out and live your next adventure.